Hey everyone, welcome back to my class. Hope everybody is doing well. So in this video I will cover class 8 maths chapter number 2 exercise 2.4 from question number 5. So till question number 4 I have done in the previous video. If you want to see the explanation of the previous question, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can get there. Okay, let's start our question now. Question number 5. Subho's mother's present age is 6 time. Time means what? Multiply. Okay, 6 time Subho's present age. Okay, what will be the Subho's present age? With that, her mother age will multiply with what? 6. Okay, 6 time. Suppose the Subho's present age is x, then the mother age will become 6x. Okay, 6 time means 6 multiply with x. Now Subho's age 5 years from now. From now means what? Now if she is x years old, then from now after 5 years it will become x plus 5, isn't it? If you are 12 years old or 15 years old, after 5 years what you will do? You will add 5. In the same way, after 5 years Subhom age will become what? 5 plus x. Now from now will be 1/3 of his mother. 1/3 means what? 1/3. Okay, 1/3 means 1/3 of her present age. Means the age after 5 years of Subham will become 1/3 of present age of her mother age. Now what will be their present age? You have to find the present age of Subham and her mother. Okay, so what you will assume? Let the present age of Subhos be, let the present age of Subhos be x. Okay, their present age is what? X. Then her mother age is how much? 6 time, that means 6x. Okay, then her mother age is 6 time means 6x. Now after 5 years, after 5 years Subho age will be how much? X plus 5. So according to question it is given x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. 1/3 means what? 1/3. 1/3 of her mother age. That means 1/3. What is her mother age? 6x. That means 1/3 into 6x. Okay, now you will solve this. X plus 5. So 1/3 into this is 6x. Now what you will do? Up and up will get multiplied. X upon 5 is equal to 1 into x, 6x, isn't it? 1 into 6x, 6x upon 3. Now you can cancel this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what you got? X plus 5 equal to 2x. This you got. Now what you will do? You will bring this to here. X minus 2x equal to minus 5x, because if you will bring here it will become minus 2x, and if you will convert this 5 to right hand side it will also become minus 5. Now x minus 2x equal to 1x, that means x, and which is greater? Minus 2. So sign you will get negative, is equal to minus 5. So minus in right hand side and in left hand side, so it will get cancelled. Therefore x equal to how much? X is equal to 5. That means the present age of Subham be x. X how much we got? 5. Therefore present age of Subhos be, Subhos not be, now is how much we got? 5. X, isn't it? That means 5. And her mother is 6x. That means 6 into 5. How much? 30. So mother age is 30 and Subho age is how much? 5. So this is your answer. Now question number 6. there is a narrow rectangular plot. Okay, there is one plot, means a plot means we know some land is there, reserved for a school. Okay, it is reserved for a school in Mahuli village. Okay, this is in where? It is in Mahuli village. There is a plot, rectangular plot, and it is booked for reserved for school. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So length ratio is what? 11, and breadth ratio is 4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, means at 1 meter. Per meter means what? 1 meter. So cost of 1 meter is how much? Rupees 100 will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to pence the plot. Means pence means what? To plot they will make a boundary. Okay, plot, to plot they will make one pence, means boundary. So what are the dimension of the plot? Dimension means what? Length and breadth. You have to find the length and breadth. So 1 meter it cost how much? 100, and the total their cost will be 75,000. So for 75,000, so what will be their dimension? Means their length and breadth. Okay, now come to our solution. Suppose this is the rectangular plot, and what they will do, they will make a pansy here. Okay, pence, they will make a pansy boundary in this way to this plot, and the cost of this pensies, total cost is how much? 75,000. And for 1 meter, what is the cost? 100 rupees. For 1 meter it is 100, and total expenditure is 75,000. And their length and breadth ratio is given how much? 11:4. So let the length and breadth be how much? 11x and 4x. Okay, 11x and 4x. And there, now we will do the pansy in the boundary, isn't it? Boundary means it is related with perimeter. So to find any boundary we have to know this boundary. After that we can find the value, means how many meter was there and how much it cost, because the cost is already given here. So we know. Okay, first you write the given part. Cost of 1 meter fancy fence equal to how much? Rupees 100. And total cost of fancy is given how much? Rupees 75,000. Now you will find perimeter. Perimeter of, so we know therefore perimeter of that rectangular plot is equal to, what is the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth, isn't it? So 2 into, what is the length? We assume is how much? 11x plus, and breadth is 4x. This is equal to 2 into 11 plus 4, you will get 15x. So 2 into 15, 30x meters. So perimeter is how much? 30x meter. So total this perimeter is how much? 30x meter. And for 1 meter how many cost? 100 rupees. And for all this the cost is how much? 75,000. Therefore, so what you will do, 30x you will multiply with 100, because this much meter is there, 30x meter, and for 1 meter cost is how much? 100. So you will multiply with 100, and this is equal to cost, total cost how much? 75,000. 75,000. Now 100 into 30, how much you will get? 3,000. X equal to 75,000. Now x equal to, what you will do, this 3,000 you will divide with 75. 3,000 divide with 70 to 3. 3000, isn't it? Now 3x will get cancelled, and 3 what time will make 75? 325 time, okay, 25 time. If you will divide 75 with 3, you will get 25. Therefore x equal to 25. What is the x? 25. So what was our land? 11x and bread 4x. So you will multiply 11 into x. What is x? 25. And for bread 4 into x means 4 into 25. Therefore land is equal to how much? 11x. That means 11 into 25. What will be your answer? 275. Okay, this is the answer. Now for bread, 4 into 4x, isn't it? That means 4 into 25. So this is meter. Now this also equal to 100 meter. That means their dimension, length equal to 275 meter and breadth equal to 100 meter. This is your answer. Now next question. Question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt material that cost rupees 50 per meter. So 1 meter cost is 50 for shirt material, and for trouser material that cost rupees 90 per meter. So 1 meter is how much? 90. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buy 2 meter of the trouser material. So that means their ratio will be 3 is to 2. Okay, if they are buying 3 meter shirt, for that he will buy 2 meter for trouser, means the ratio will be 3 is to 2. He sell the material at 12% and 10% profit. So material for shirt making 12% profit, and for trouser making 10% profit. His total sale is rupees 36,600. So it is given their total sale. Okay, total sale is given this much. Rupees is given. How much trouser material did he buy? So we have to find how much trouser material did he buy. So let the shirt material be 3x and trouser material will be 2x. Because for 3x meter of shirt they are buying, for every 3x, okay, for every 3 meter shirt they are buying 2 meter trouser. That is why their common ratio will be x. So 3x and 2x, and their cost is given. Cost of 1 meter shirt is how much? Rupees 50, and cost of 1 meter trouser is how much? Rupees 90. Now their profit, how much profit they made will be, therefore per meter selling price of shirt means per meter, because they are selling in profit of how much? 10% for shirt. He sell the material at 12% and 10%, means for trouser they are selling for 10% profit, and for shirt material they are selling for 12% profit. So profit is 10%. That is why the selling price will be how much? 50 plus 50 into 100 upon 50 into 10 upon 100. So this 10 is what? Profit percent. Okay, so what will be the 10% of 50? So how you will find 50 into 10 means, I will explain this means what, 10% of 50. Okay, 10% of 50, how you will write this? 10 by 100 into 50, isn't it? So this is written as 50 into 10 upon 100. So if you will do solution, 15 to 10, 500 upon 100, this will cancel. So rupees 50 plus 5, it will become rupees 55. Okay, so the selling price for 1 meter shirt is rupees 55. Therefore per meter selling price of shirt means per meter, because they are selling in profit of how much? 10% for shirt, sorry, he sell the material at 12% and 10%. Means for trouser they are selling for 10% profit, and for shirt material they are selling for 12% profit. So profit is 10%, that is why the selling price will be how much? 50 plus 50 into 100 upon, sorry, 50 into 10 upon 100. So this 10 is what? Profit percent. Okay, so what will be the 10% of 50? So how you will find 50 into 10 means, I will explain this means what, 10% of 50. Okay, 10% of 50, how you will write this? 10 by 100 into 50, isn't it? So this is written as 50 into 10 upon 100. So if you will do solution, 50 into 10, 500 upon 100, this will cancel, so rupees 50 plus 5, it will become rupees 55. Okay, so the selling price for 1 meter shirt is rupees 55. Now again, per meter selling price of trouser will be how much? Rupees, how much? The cost price is 90, isn't it? And we are selling the profit of 12%. So 12% of 90 will be 90 multiplied 12 with 100. So rupees 90 plus, how much you will get here? 0, 18, 1, 108 by 8. Now this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. So here how much you will get? 80 plus 10.8. If you will plus, you will get rupees 100.8. So the selling price of trouser is rupees, sorry, so the selling price of trouser will be what? Per meter. Okay, for 1 meter how much they are selling? They brought at rupees 90, but they are selling at the profit of 12%. So 12% of 90 will be how much? 10.8. So the total selling price for 1 meter trouser is 100.8 rupees. Now given, what is given? Total selling price is given, isn't it? Given total sale means how many rupees, for how many rupees he sell. Okay, total sale is given rupees 36,600. This is the total sale. So what you will write? Means total sale of 5 rupees 55 into how much? 11 rupees 55 into rupees 55. You can see from here, shirt material be how much? The total is how much? 3x, and here 2x. That means 3x multiply with what? This is for shirt, isn't it? 3x will multiply with 55. 3x multiply means their total cost will be 55, because 1 meter is cost how much? 55, and how much they brought is 3x. So 55 into 3x plus again 100.8 into 2x, and their total will be 36,600. So how you will write? So according to question, it is 55 rupees 55 into how much? Rupees 55 into 3x plus rupees 108 into how much? Into 2x. This is equal to 36 rupees 36,600. Now if you will multiply this, how much you will get? 165x. 5 to the 15, 116. Now if you will multiply this with 2, how much you will get? 16, 1, 0 and 2 x. Here decimal is there. It's equal to 36,600. Now xx, if you will plus this, how much you will get? 0.6 will be there. then 6, 6 and 3 equal to 36. This much, isn't it? Now x equal to how much? If you will transfer to here, it will become 36.6. Now if you want to remove this decimal, what you will do, you will multiply with 10 both the side. Okay, so 36,600 and one more 0 will increase because you have to multiply with what? 110. Then this decimal will be removed, so it will become 3666. Now if you will divide, what will be your answer? When you will divide this with 3666, you will get approximately 100. Okay, if you will divide this, you will get approximately 100, near to 100. So x value how much we got approximately rupees 100. Okay, and we have to find the trouser material, isn't it? So we assume trouser material was how much? We assume 2x for trouser, isn't it? Now for question, in question it is given only we have to find for trouser material, so no need of finding for shirt. Okay, for trouser material is 2x, so approximately x value is how much? 100. So 2 into 100 is how much? 200 meters. So how many meter? How much they brought for trouser? 200 meters. So this is your answer. So thank you all of you. In my next video, I will come with the next question. If you like my video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and stay safe and stay home.